Hey everyone, welcome to Mental Health Matters. Why are we here? Because 2 out of every 3 gun deaths you hear about on a regular basis, are actually suicides and not violence. So, if more than 60% of the deaths that occur because of guns, or in spite of guns, depending on which way you want to look at it, stop, drop, Hawkeye drop, Hawkeye, sit. He listens very well. Sit. He's like, nope, we're not going to do that. So anyway, 2 out of 3 gun deaths are suicides on average over the past 20 years. And we have not done anything really to improve that. We are here every Saturday night, 9 p.m. Eastern since 2018, give or take, to talk about it. Because if you talk about the actual problem of suicide and really talk about suicide prevention, it will make a difference